What is up guys, Anton here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Xiaomi 12 Lite and the most solid PR package that we have seen this year. Now, this phone really brings in the most amazing package so far, media package, with a bunch of antigen test kits, a bunch of N95 masks, and a number of travel bags. Now, it's really nice to see this company go above and beyond to ensure a safe launch event, so major props to you, Xiaomi. Now, other than that, we are getting a Xiaomi branded tumbler, the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 to keep track of your fitness, a Xiaomi luggage tag for your suitcase, and a universal adapter para walang problema talaga pagdating sa outlet no matter what country you are in, because the Xiaomi 12 Lite is going to be releasing and their main event is going to be in Malaysia sometime this August. Now, overall, thank you so much, Xiaomi, for this amazing media package, making sure that we have a safe release event for the Xiaomi 12 Lite. But now onto the actual phone itself. The Xiaomi 12 Lite is the more affordable device in the Xiaomi 12 series. Now, this phone has a glass back and front panel that really makes this phone feel quite premium, and you barely even notice that the frame is made of polycarbonate. Pagdating naman sa screen, we are getting an amazing 6.55-inch AMOLED panel here that has all the bells and whistles of a top-tier screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, up to 68 billion color separation, and HDR10 support for a truly wonderful viewing experience. Now, when it comes to specs, we are getting a Snapdragon 778 5G as well as 6GB of RAM and 128 gigs of internal memory. Now, this chipset is quite good for this price range, handling high-end games like Genshin Impact quite well at 30 frames per second, and with a total of 8GB of RAM, this phone should do pretty well with multitasking. For software naman, we are getting MIUI 13 on Android 12 here right out of the box, and subjective nga, but I really like MIUI as a launcher. Maganda talaga yung aesthetic nila with lots of blur effects and little animations that makes their phones look extra polished. So again, major props to Xiaomi for their awesome MIUI 13. Now on to the camera performance of this phone, where we are getting a very solid camera experience here with some major upgrades compared to the last year's Xiaomi 11 Lite. Now, we are getting a 108 megapixel main sensor here, coupled with a pretty competent 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a major bump up to the selfie camera with a 32 megapixel sensor. Now, photo performance is quite up there in terms of detail, and contrast can be quite harsh with super vibrant colors, but it does make for very interesting photos. Now, with video, this phone's rear cameras can take up to 4K 30, which I had low expectations for since wala tayong OIS here. But Xiaomi really impressed me with this phone's electronic image stabilization, yielding very stable, high-quality 4K videos. And finally, when it comes to the battery, the Xiaomi 12 Lite carries a pretty small 4300 mAh cell, but it does charge at 67 watts. So it's very quick in terms of charging, so you really don't have to worry that much when it comes to battery life on this phone. So that's about it for a quick look on the Xiaomi 12 Lite. Now, this is truly a wonderful device with an amazing screen at the top of the mid-range price category. And of course, we are getting a pretty great set of cameras here that gives us much more than nothing. Now, when it comes to prices talaga, wala pa tayong official price. It should come out around August 18 during their Malaysian event. Now, let us know in the comments down below what you guys think of this phone. The mid-range flagships like this Xiaomi 12 Lite has really piqued our interest. So we'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. Now, before you guys go, please make sure to leave a like and to sub to the channel, as well as make sure to check out our other socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for more unboxed content and future giveaways. Once again, my name is Anton, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.